Doing an oil change on a Kia Sportage. We've got our drain plug right here. Take this little cover off, if it's still there. It's 17 millimeter. I used a little extender on my ratchet. Drain that sucker out. Oil filter, take this little cover off here. There's your oil filter. I've already loosened it up. I used jaws to get up in there because it was on there too tight. Otherwise, you'd have to get a good grip on it, you'd have to take this whole cover off. So I used some jaws. I got some big old jumbo pliers there. I used an oil filter wrench jaw right there. What do we got for a part number on this guy? This is a Parts Plus PH 2808, so I think that's going to be the same as Fram. Our replacement filter, we'll get to capacity here in a minute. We're putting on a Wix 5133-4 using some 5W20. This guy wanted full synthetic, high mileage oil. This is exactly what he wanted in his vehicle, so that's what we're putting in. So we're going to take this oil filter here where it's at, clean that up. With a clean rag, there we go. Let's pop our oil filter on there. We'll put a dab of oil on the seal of the oil filter. That'll help us in the future. And this should spin right on. If it doesn't spin right on, then you don't have it threaded right. See, it can just spin all by itself. Now we're getting tight. I'm gonna grab a rag because my hands are a little oily. So it's bottomed out. Now we're gonna give it a good quarter, half turn. There we go. And we're gonna tighten our drain plug back up. I think that's 28 to 32 foot-pounds, something like that. Then we'll get to capacity. All right, we got our oil going in. There's our dipstick. There's our filler right there. 4.9 quarts is the capacity. 5W20 recommended. And yeah, I should probably mention this is a 2.4, not the 2.0 turbo. 2013 model year. Right there. And we are going to go ahead and wrap this up.